Hi there, this is Francesco from SAP, and today I want to show you how you can make business decisions in your retail or wholesale business faster. And that all begins with information, and it pays dividends to have a system within your business that is collecting information on all aspects of the organization. Without that, it's impossible to truly know where you can improve. And a perfect example of a system would be SAP Anywhere, which I'm going to be using today. And you can find more information on SAP Anywhere by clicking the link on screen, or alternatively just shoot me an email. So today I want to focus on making faster decisions in a sales environment. So let's imagine that I'm the sales director of Pedal Faster bike stores, and I'm responsible for making sure the retail and wholesale elements of the business remain profitable. So what I have on screen is a tool that we have called BobJ Cloud. BobJ Cloud is going to be receiving information in real time by SAP Anywhere. So as soon as we make a sales transaction in one of our stores, all of this data will be instantly updated, and all of these charts, figures, and objects can be fully customized to give you whatever kind of visualization or whatever kind of report that you want from that information. So here we really have sort of an overview of the business. So we have the total sales revenue, sales orders, profit percentages. If we move down, we can see where those sales orders and revenues are coming from by channel, whether it's a retail store, an e-commerce side of the business, a marketplace, that can all be displayed there. And we can also see profit percentages per channel. We can then see sales orders by store and by warehouse. And if we scroll up, we can see sales orders chronologically, so when we're having the most activity in terms of days, times, months, it can all be filtered down to. Then over here we have a heat map, so this is going to recognize where our stores are within the geographical locations, and it's going to show us our footprints, our sort of quantities in terms of the heat map there. And this could also be used in several other ways. So if you run an e-commerce business, if that's really more of your focus, then you'll be able to put your sales orders into this, and you'll be able to see where you're having the most activity within your geographical territories. Now, if we want to dig down a little bit more into our sales employees, then we can also do that, and that's really essential because it's really down to the salespeople for them to make the sales and for them to grow the business. So here we can see a breakdown of all of our sales employees together, which different categories they are selling the most, which geographical locations they're selling into the most, and what the margin and quantity is per product. Now that's great to just get an overview of the business, but what if you want to make personal recommendations as a sales director to your individual staff? Then you can simply filter by employee. So let's take a look at Aaron Solomon, and we can see the total amount of sales revenue, we can see the total amount of sales orders, his profit percentage, which categories he is selling more. So for example here we can see he's crazy about water bottles, not so good on bikes. What if we could get Aaron to then sell a few more bikes as well as keep up his sales figures on water bottles? We're going to have a more profitable business. Over here we can see which customers he's interacting with the most, and then dig into that information and really interrogate it and see where his white space is. And over here we can again see geographical locations and margin and quantity sold by product. So that's just a 500-mile-an-hour overview of BobJ Cloud in conjunction with SAP Anywhere, and the benefits that that can bring to your retail or wholesale business. If you have any questions, if you'd like to learn a little bit more, or if you'd like me to generate some specific reports and show you how we can do that within BobJ Cloud and SAP Anywhere, then please just get in touch. My contact details are in the link below. Thank you.